Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Anton. Commandant of Police jung East Casuals uba Vivek Sim ula pinna bakasonam Raghuvanshi but uraj kilasha ail arsni ka police custody na ka district but session court Shillong. Kat ba kilaingot ki weipat ki basha akenno ki bakenthum ya deki bad Akash lapha no shaka judicial custody. Ki pulit kiloong bakin shimbiang ya ka police custody lada don sa kijing tip thamai kijing tokin. Kijing tokit kalaya chakman ngilayo prasngi ka custody shwa bad mentangi panbiang arsngi ban petnya. Ban pelong ya ka analysis ngim kwa ban e no e ginu kijing shisha. Ha indur ka kinhun pulit kalalait ban pelong jing tokin paklalat ng driver o bala kit ya ka sonam la tokit ni Govind Raj Govanshi. Gani kijing tokit ka kerteng Sanjay Verma kalami Enrique Pulit Lakinshai bagaritang ka kerteng thok kabadan hatru kala barka number karejong urajai. Pulit kidangwan ka second phone jang kasanam.
We've got 2 days of police custody. We asked for 2 days police custody for Raj and Sonam, and we've got those 2 days police custody. We have sent the 3 other accused, Anand, Vicky and Akash, to judicial custody, and as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we are taking 2 days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that.
So whether 2 days police custody will be enough, because I still a lot of investigation are yet to be done.
No, investigation is already in progress, and we've already taken 8 days of police custody. These 2 days we'll be taking because after the 2 days are over, then we'll do a lot of analysis also, because like I said, the team is out there in Indore, and we don't want to lose out, because we'll still have another 4 days with us after the 2 days of police custody. So we are taking piecemeal. Once we have done the 2 days, then we'll do analysis and investigation, and then again, if required, we will take police custody.
So when will be the next production, sir?
Next production will be on Saturday.
And when the team from Indore will come back, sir?
Police custody is not, she's not just languishing out there, but a lot of interrogation is going on. A lot of finding out about more facts into, as we ask questions, as we dig into it, we get more facts and all that, and we get the complete picture. That is the whole purpose of actually asking for police custody.
सर खाना में क्या क्या दिया जाता है?
Simple food, dal, sabji, rice.
Sir, just one question regarding the Nagak case. What is the draft date, sir?
Which
This Sonam for 2 days police custody and other accused for 14 days judicial custody. That's all.
Sir, please tell me what's the
Ground, this is under investigation. Sorry, I cannot give any statement which is under investigation.
Okay,
Sir, repeat in Hindi. Sir,
can you repeat in Hindi?
No.
Slowly, sir, please.
Thank you.